Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Celoxis to Microsoft Teams updates step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Celoxis website. Log into your Celoxis account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the project you want to connect to Microsoft Teams. Click on that project to open its details page. In the project menu, look for the Integrations option. Click on Integrations to access the integration settings. Find the Microsoft Teams integration option on the Integrations page. Click on the Connect button next to the Microsoft Teams option. You will be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. Enter your Microsoft Teams credentials and grant necessary permissions. Return to Celoxis after connecting to Microsoft Teams. Choose the updates or notifications you want to send to Microsoft Teams. Configure the settings according to your preferences. Decide which channel in Microsoft Teams will receive these updates. Select the appropriate Teams channel from the drop-down menu. Save your integration settings in Celoxis. To test the integration, create a sample update in your Celoxis project. Check the designated Microsoft Teams channel for the update notification. Review the message to ensure it displays the correct information. If everything looks good, your integration is now complete. You can manage or adjust the settings anytime in the Integrations menu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.